Hey guys, it's me, Abby, and welcome back to my channel. Hey guys, it's me, Abby, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys like seeing videos like this and you guys want hubs and more of my videos, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and click that little bell over there so you can be notified whenever I make a new video. Okay, so as much as you guys like watching my pregnancy bump day videos, I am done. I am on my last trimester, my last week, and pretty much ready to do anything to get this baby out. So I recorded a few things that I've tried this week. I will insert those clips here. I'm trying to convince my other half to do his half, pretty much, which is what apparently works the most, but he's being distraught and dramatic.
Because of the way you're trying to obtain it, you're not even trying to...
I'm not. Come on, I'm this far along. I do not want to feel anything other than a baby come out. So yeah, I'm pretty much at this point gonna give him a syringe and just, hey, do what you do, buddy. But yeah, so that's where I am tonight. And let me know if these things work for you guys, and I'll let you guys know what the results are. So
I'm trying to line.
And as you can tell, none of those methods work. So we are going to try the emergency method, which you guys probably know or have heard of. It is called
the Midwives brew.
Now, if you don't know what the Midwife brew is, it's pretty much a whole bunch of old wives' tale mixed together with like a witchy conjuring, and this one drink is supposed to be 85% successful to have you go into labor that same day. So some of these ingredients were like surprisingly super duper hard to find. One being
the apricot juice.
The apricot juice mixes. That's what you call them?
Jumexes.
You think it was like Humex.
We went to all the Mexican stores and we couldn't find them anywhere.
Yeah,
like,
and you
they have
have to
all
have
the other flavors.
And you have to have these specific ingredients because each ingredient cancels each other out so that you don't have negative
side effects.
So if you don't have the apricot juice or the almond butter, you try to mix it with something like mango juice and like one of the nut is there, like hazelnut butter, then the castor oil is probably going to give you diarrhea. And I know that's not what you want, so that's definitely not what I want. So we're going to do this.
You don't want to poop on the delivery table.
No. So basically we're just going to mix all these ingredients together. I will tell you guys the amount of each one as I blend them. You can drink this straight out of the blender, or you can add ice if that's how you want to take it. But yeah, so I'm going to stop talking and we're going to get into it. Okay, so the first ingredients I'm going to add to here is the lemongrass tea. Now this was really weird for me to find, and it has to be a specific one. It doesn't have to be this brand, but it does have to include this one ingredient called lemon verbena. So make sure when you grab your lemongrass tea, does it have to be lemongrass?
Lemon verbena leaves.
It just has to be lemon.
Lemon verbena.
It doesn't have to be lemongrass, but it definitely has to have lemon and verbena. So just make sure those are the ones that you get. And as you see here, down there, this has those in it. So I went ahead and did 2 bags of that, and you have to have a total of 8 ounces.
8 ounces. You gotta tilt this
cup. So yeah, it's pretty much a cup.
Can I help you with anything? You want me to open the can? The apricot juice.
The apricot. The second ingredient is your apricot. Is it apricot? How do you pronounce it?
I don't know. I've never heard of the fruit type Jumex.
Wow. I call it apricot. You call it apricot. Whatever's gonna get this baby
I would say
out.
apricot.
But it's supposed to be 10 ounces. And these cans have 11 ounces.
So just leave a little in there.
Just a little bit. A lot of these women actually go into labor like an hour to 2 hours later But disclaimer, you have to be dilated at least a little bit, and your baby has to be full term. So please do not try this at 16 weeks. No, you're not gonna have a micro baby. So the third ingredient is almond butter. A lot of people don't use this brand. They use this like organic brand, but I could not find it for the life of me, and I was not about to go to Publix to get it. So I just went with Jif, but definitely if you can find the organic one, do that.
What does it smell like?
It smells good, man.
Yes.
It smells like peanut butter on steroids.
It does smell like peanut butter.
It smells really good.
Peanut butter crackers.
Yeah,
That's what it smells like.
Ugh, that smells really good. Yeah, it does. It smells like crackers. I think you do 2 tablespoons of this.
Yeah.
So I don't have a tablespoon measure, but
we lost a little measure.
Yeah. So I'm gonna go ahead and just use these. It's really thick. That's not peanut butter.
That's what she said.
Oh, that is not peanut butter. That's peanut butter's swole cousin. Okay.
Peanut butter and juice?
It's nutty. Come on.
Peanut butter and juice? That's crazy.
Okay, so the last ingredient. Now this is what really kicks it off. I found this at
Walmart. Yeah, I bought it. So yeah, Walmart.
So let's go with the castor oil.
It's like $5 or maybe less.
2 tablespoons of this. Don't overdo it. Have you ever had castor oil before?
No. And
You're lucky. I have.
You haven't?
I have, and honestly, it's haunting. Leave
What
in
does
the
it
comments
mean?
down below if you guys have tried castor oil. It's just a taste that you just never forget.
Does it taste like a castor? Isn't a castor like an animal?
I don't know.
Yeah, castor. Isn't that an animal? Well, I
I
guess
don't
it's
want to
Spanish.
smell. I brought back memories.
I want to smell it. Let me smell
You brought
it.
back childhood memories, dude. You probably smelled it because I used to use it in my hair, but
Yeah, that's what it smells like your hair.
the memories. Oh, you have to drink it within 30 minutes. It has to be on an empty stomach to actually like work its best. So I am pretty hungry. I have some food on standby, and I'm gonna try to chug this thing. I can tolerate bad taste like really easily. But I don't think this is gonna taste bad. He's a baby when it comes to flavors and things. He's like, I'm not doing it.
But then, I'll try it. I'm not, I'm not trying this.
I used to mix a lot of drinks back in my day. So.
I mean, I used to go to McDonald's and mix out the sodas.
That's not the same thing.
It's not.
You never like made an alcoholic drink and it was like, wow, it tastes like throw up.
I'm an alcoholic, no.
Wow.
I like it straight up.
I'm just gonna chug it. And we got a couple errands to run and we'll keep you guys updated once we drink it. But first, let's blend it. Looks really good.
Show me the inside. I want to see the inside.
I'll show him the cup. I'm not gonna smell it. This is, it smells like baby.
Let me smell it. You said you're not going to smell
It
it.
smells like breast milk.
It does not smell like breast milk.
It smells like breast milk a little bit.
It smells like some fiber cereal. That's what it smells like.
Okay. Oh, I
The
don't know
wheat
if I should put
thins.
ice on. Give me a little bit of ice. Just a little. I'm so nervous. A lot of people have to do multiple cups because it doesn't fit, but I feel like this is a pretty big cup, so.
So you gonna drink that all by yourself?
Yeah. In
So,
30 minutes.
So I'm not gonna try, I guess.
You can take a little sip. Ew.
That's a lot.
Messy.
That's like more than the tea you drink every day.
Not really. I drink a lot. It smells good.
Now you start sipping.
Okay. You have a timer? I feel like I'm gonna do this in like 5 minutes.
Yeah.
4.
Let me
top.
taste it first. Let me taste it first.
You're dramatic.
Let me taste it. I won't even tell you what it tastes
You're
like.
like, ugh. Let me see.
You know, it's not as bad as they say. It's not. It's a weird taste. Tastes like oatmeal juice. You ever had oatmeal juice?
Yes, I have.
That's what it tastes like.
Someone made it.
Yeah.
Okay, you're gonna time me?
Let me get my phone.
I'm so nervous.
Alright, 30 minutes on the go and go. 30 minutes. My phone's a little cracked. Just a screensaver. Let's see. So what you think? Was it just like I described it? There's a little tang to it. Do you taste that?
It tastes like throw up a little bit. It does. It tastes like throw up. You know, like
when you barfing that out,
it's
you're like
it has like a fruity taste.
a little acidy
Milk.
taste in
Yeah,
the
a
bag.
little acidy taste, but it's not bad at all. Okay. You timing me?
Yeah.
Okay. Like don't put 30 minutes. Just do the timer. Stopwatch.
Okay. Gotcha.
Okay. And
It's been started.
I haven't even started drinking.
Man, you just took a sip.
Okay, go.
Let me restart. Go. Chug, 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 chug. And she really sipping this.
Mm-mm.
It look like that thing going down like nothing.
I'm a good drinker. You know?
Yeah.
I'm surprised you even know what that meant. But you know, I can just chug stuff.
Yeah. I remember those days.
It's quite a lot though.
Yeah. You're almost done with it though. And it's been 30 seconds. I'm so proud of you.
It's trying to come back up. Whoa, in a minute?
A minute
That's
25 seconds. I think we have a record of somebody drinking the Midwives brew.
I must have not made it right because everybody else was gagging.
I don't know. You like a lot of weird stuff.
Fingers crossed, we're gonna go run some errands, drop some gifts off, and we'll keep you guys updated. And yeah, we'll see if it works. Comment down below while we wait if you guys have tried the Midwife's brew, if you would try the Midwife's brew, and if it worked for you. And I'll see you guys in a bit. It's been about 20 minutes, and I don't know if today was already a really icky day, which is why I chose to do it because I kind of felt really off today, or what, but I don't know, something's feeling kind of off, but I will keep you guys updated. Okay, so it has been a little while after I took that Midwife's brew, and yeah, I don't know if it's because the brew or what, but something got these contractions going and they're like really bad. But I'm just so used to going to the hospital and being sent home that I'm not quite sure what to do at this point. So I have this app on my husband's phone that counts your contractions, and it's been literally saying go to the hospital since forever.